Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MasterClass login issues, subscription and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening a few other websites or apps. Close the MasterClass app or browser tab completely and reopen it to refresh the session. Make sure you are using the correct email address you used when you purchased MasterClass. Reset your password using the Forgot Password option and then try logging in again. Check your inbox and spam folder for the reset email and use it within a few minutes. If you use Google or Apple sign-in, choose the same method you originally used to create your account. On mobile, update the MasterClass app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. On computer, update your browser to the latest version to avoid authentication errors. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. If you are on mobile, clear the app cache and settings or uninstall and reinstall the app. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily because they can trigger security blocks. Turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions for MasterClass because they can break login pages. Try logging in using a different browser or a different device to isolate the problem. Verify your subscription status by logging into your account page if you can access it at all. If your subscription shows inactive, confirm your payment method is valid and not expired. Check your bank or card notifications for declined or reversed charges related to MasterClass. If you subscribe through Apple or Google, open your device subscriptions and confirm it is active there. Restore purchases in the app if you paid through the App Store or Google Play. Confirm you are not exceeding account sharing limits by signing out of other devices if needed. If you see an access denied error, try switching networks from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. If content won't play, check that your system date and time are set to automatic. Allow cookies and cross-site tracking prompts if your browser blocks them for the site. If you get repeated verification prompts, remove saved passwords and re-enter credentials manually. Check MasterClass server status by searching for MasterClass status and review outage reports. If the issue started after a password change, log out everywhere if that option is available. Contact MasterClass support with your account email, receipt, and screenshots of the exact error message. While waiting, keep your app and device updated and avoid multiple rapid login attempts. After support resolves it, sign in once, confirm your plan is active, and test a class video for access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.